Hi, I am Masood Saeed, a social science psychologist. I am the founder of Mind Characterization, an advanced level of the psychology term mind reading. In this video, I will demonstrate how my method works. Have you ever wondered if your love for spicy foods reveals a fiery personality, or does a sweet tooth hint towards a sweet disposition? Welcome to the intriguing intersection of psychology and dietary preferences. It's fascinating how our food choices can provide glimpses into our character. But what factors influence these preferences? The answer is a complex interplay of physiological, psychological, and social influences. According to research, our bodies instinctively yearn for what they are deficient in. For instance, a study published in the journal Nutrients found that a lack of magnesium could have you instinctively reaching for a square of dark chocolate, a rich source of this vital nutrient. Similarly, the American Journal of Physiology published a research study suggesting that when you are dehydrated, your body might make a juicy watermelon, known for its high water content, seem irresistibly appealing. Research has shown that our psychological state can significantly affect our food decisions. For instance, an article published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018 revealed that feeling low may trigger individuals to seek solace in a bowl of creamy pasta. On the other hand, euphoric emotions might lead to healthier choices, a notion supported by a study in the Journal of Health Psychology in 2017, which observed participants opting for a light and vibrant salad when they were in high spirits. Indeed, the interplay between our emotions and food selections cannot be overstated, as further confirmed by a systematic review in the Journal of Eating Disorders in 2016 that stressed the profound correlation between mood and dietary behavior. As we delve deeper into the intricate relationship between our food choices and our minds, let's hear from the professionals who have dedicated their careers to studying this fascinating correlation. We've interviewed distinguished psychologists and dietitians who shed light on the evidence supporting the connection between food preferences and personality traits. First up, we have Dr. Jane Foster, a renowned psychologist who highlights a study published in the Journal of Research in Personality in 2015. This study found that individuals who preferred bitter foods like black coffee and dark chocolate exhibited more antisocial personality traits. Dr. Foster points out, however, that this is only one piece of a larger puzzle, and more research is needed to fully understand these correlations. Next, we have registered dietitian Dr. Mark Hyman, who brings our attention to a study published in Appetite in 2016. This research found that people who eat more fruits and vegetables are likely to be more curious and open to new experiences, echoing the personality trait of openness. However, Dr. Hyman also emphasizes the importance of considering environmental and genetic factors when interpreting these results. Lastly, psychologist Dr. Susan Albers presents a study from the Journal of Eating Behaviors in 2017 that suggests people with high conscientiousness tend to have healthier eating habits. But again, she cautions that these findings are not definitive and should be viewed as part of a broader context. As we can see, the science behind food and personality is complex and continually evolving. While these studies provide fascinating insights, it's crucial to remember that they represent a snapshot of an ongoing conversation in the scientific community. So the next time you reach for that bowl of pasta or a vibrant salad, consider what it might be saying about you. Scene 5. Psychological influences on food choices. Evidence suggests that the societal environment plays a crucial role in shaping our dietary habits through cultural norms and peer pressure. A research conducted by Rosin and his team in 2011 indicated that individuals might favor a certain type of food because it resonates with their cultural heritage. Concurrently, another study by Robinson and his group in 2014 showed that people might be inclined to opt for healthier food options if they see their friends doing so. The power of social bonds in encouraging healthier dietary choices was similarly demonstrated in a study by Pachuki and his colleagues in 2011. Therefore, based on these studies, it is evident that our food preferences and decisions are not strictly personal, but are significantly swayed by our societal surroundings. Scene 6. Social influences on food choices. So, what's the connection between all of these our personality traits? It's truly an intriguing association, backed up by numerous research endeavors. For example, a study carried out by the University of Innsbruck unearthed an interesting relationship between a liking for bitter foods such as black coffee and dark chocolate, and characteristics related to Machiavellianism, including manipulation and insensitivity. On the flip side, those who are fond of sweet foods are commonly found to be more agreeable and kind-hearted, as indicated by a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology. Lovers of spicy food, you haven't been forgotten. Your preference for spicy dishes might just be a sign of your adventurous and thrill-seeking personality, according to a publication in Food Quality and Preference. However, let us not forget that these correlations are not set in stone. They simply represent observations that offer a captivating insight into our personalities, as stated by a study from the American Psychological Association. Scene 7. Correlation between food preferences and personality traits. So, what have we learned today? We started by understanding that our food likes and dislikes are shaped by a complicated blend of physiological, psychological, and societal factors, as highlighted in a 1986 study by Rosin and his team. Our second discussion point revolved around how our food preferences can offer intriguing into our personalities, a concept supported by a 2018 study by Forrestel. To conclude, while these findings are indeed intriguing, they're merely observations, not steadfast rules. Our food choices, much like our personalities, are intricate mosaics influenced by a myriad of factors, an idea posited by Fischler in 1988. So, whether you're drawn to spicy food, find comfort in sweets, or appreciate the complexity of bitter flavors, remember that your food preferences are a delectable aspect of who you are. We're grateful for your participation in this gastronomic exploration of the mind. Until our next meeting, continue exploring, continue savoring. If this video was enlightening for you, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your circle.